guys, welcome back to my channel. I am currently getting ready to go to RPM Raceway with my family. We actually have a birthday party. Giovanni's friend's having a birthday party there, so we're gonna go. Hopefully Tom and I can race. I believe when we were there last, it was about like over a year, and I don't think we were able to for some weird reason. I can't remember. I don't remember if we had to call in ahead of time or what the situation was, but hopefully today's a little different. I already got dressed. I am just gonna do my hair and my makeup, and we are gonna wait for Tom and Dom to get back because Tom took Dom to karate. And you guys, he's moving up a belt. He's going, I believe, to orange. He's so excited. So yeah, and Tom's going to Oregon next week, or this coming week. So it is the first time I've been home alone, like literally alone, where he does not come home. So yeah, he has his sister's wedding, so he's gonna go. And yeah, kind of, but that's okay. We're gonna get through it. He'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll survive, and he'll survive. He's nervous, by the way, but he'll be okay. So yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna get ready. And oh, also Tom's birthday is on Monday, so we have some plans for that too. I'm gonna take you guys along with us as well. I booked us a 2-hour rock climbing what is it, thing, whatever. I was trying to get all cute and fancy, but that's not gonna happen because I can't get the word out. So we have that little activity, and yeah, I don't know about going out to dinner. We shall see, but I am excited for that. We have some fun stuff to look forward to, and yeah, so like I said, again, for the third time, I'm going to do my hair, do my makeup, and then we'll get ready to go. So see you guys in a little bit. Race day. All right, guys, so we finally made it. It is, as Joe likes to say, it is officially
race day. Race day. Race day. Race day. Race day.
Alright you guys, so I'm finally home. Right now I'm sitting at my desk. I'm about to edit 2 videos and this vlog. We had a lot of fun today. We ended up going to Stop and Shop in Walmart after. Had to run a couple of errands, pick up some things we needed for the house, and then I came back and made some dinner, made some chicken and pasta and salad. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Tomorrow, what do we have to do tomorrow? It's Sunday, so we're gonna go to the gym. The boys have a haircut and nothing really exciting. So yeah, I guess I'll close out the video now. Actually, what time is it? It's 9:38. We're gonna watch what is it? What's that movie called? Black Widow. So that should be fun. I'm gonna rent it and watch it home. And yeah, that is pretty much it for the night. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the vlog. If you did, you know what to do. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to click that bell to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, like I said, look out for those 2 makeup videos. I will be editing those tonight. See you guys. Bye.